Hello everyone, my name is Carolyn, and in this short video I will show you how you can easily resend and forward your invitation emails. There are multiple ways to resend any of your invitations to some or all of your guests. The first place to resend your invitation is via the guest list view. From here, select one or multiple guests as needed through the checkbox icon. Click on the action drop-down at the top of your guest list and select Resend Invitation. Choose the correct invitation that you want to resend and confirm your selection via the Resend button. It is also possible to resend invitations directly from the Invitations reporting page. To get to the reporting page, click on your sent invitation on the Invitations overview screen, which will take you to the email delivery breakdown. From here, select your specific guest or guests and select Resend Invitation from the action drop-down. Confirm your selection as before. zkipster also makes it easy for you to forward invitations to newly added guests that you have uploaded on top of an existing guest list. When adding your new guests via an Excel, the system will prompt you with two pop-up notifications. The first window will ask you whether you want to replace your list of existing guests or add your new additions on top of your guests that are already in the system. The second window will ask you whether you want to forward any existing invitations that have already been sent to the guest list you have added your new guests to. To forward, choose the Import and Forward option. Select which invitations you would like to forward, and click on the orange Import and Forward button to send your invitation. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles on zkipster's invitation feature, and thanks for watching.